si Mikey, aminin mo, bumaba yung ano mo, grado ng mata mo. Sabi ng doktor, pag-check niya, bumaba na yung grado ng mata mo.
Ito pong iBerry, once a day lang ang take ha. Paalala po, isang capsule lang sa isang araw. So kung bibili kayo na itong isang banig, ibig sabihin, good na to for 10 days. Yung iBright Herbal Powder, yan po ay remedy for various eye problems. From soothing irritation to alleviating inflammation. So yung mga mahilig magkamot ng mata, maganda rin po ito dahil nakakatulong.
Yes.
With bilberry powder, antioxidant, it fights free radicals that can damage your body. It also promotes healthy vision and even supports brain function and memory in older adults.
Wow, pati brain.
Yung lutein naman, powder as a potent
Pati ba yung isa?
carotenoid. It acts as a powerful antioxidant that supports eye health, cognitive function, and heart health. So, talagang yung lutein, yung gold, yan po ang pinakamaganda na option natin para siguradong healthy yung mata at meron din siyang nakukuhang ibang benefits.